So in this problem, we have Julio reading his outside reading book for language arts. The table shows how many pages he has read over time. I see that he has 500 pages on day 0 and 470 pages on day 1. So to me, I see that the pages he has left decreased by negative 30. So my slope is negative 30. It represents the rate at which Julio reads per day. He reads 30 pages per day, so the amount of pages he has left every day goes down by 30. And it should always be a unit rate. Slope is always a unit rate, so per day is really the key word there. So I need to decide if the statements are true or false. So it's telling me after 7 days, he will have 290 pages left to read. So if he's reading 30 pages per day, and he reads for 7 days, that means he's read 210 pages. He started with a 500-page book, so I want to subtract away the 210 pages he read in 7 days, which gives me 290 pages that he has read in total, or has left to read, rather. So he has 290 left to read, and the initial value is 500 pages. That is how many pages he started with on day 0.